Welcome to the HyrSelf Functional Medicine channel, where we explore the wonders of human physiology. Discover the fascinating dynamics of blood flow in our circulatory system with our deep dive into Poiseuille's law. Understand how vessel size and hormones interact to regulate blood flow, and how the elastic nature of blood vessels plays a crucial role. Poiseuille's law is a principle in fluid dynamics that plays a pivotal role in our circulatory system. It explains how blood flow is regulated by changes in vessel size and blood pressure. Unlike rigid tubes, our blood vessels are muscular or elastic. The muscular vessels are used to reduce the vessel size. This elasticity allows for adjustments in blood flow, primarily by increasing the vessel size. Vasodilation, such as a 19% increase in the elastic vessel size, can double blood flow, leading to hyperemia. This is influenced by transmitters like progesterone, estradiol, estriol, estetrol, and serotonin. On the flip side, vasoconstriction by the muscular vessels with a 16% decrease can halve blood flow, causing ischemia. This involves estrone, testosterone hormones, and transmitters like dopamine and epinephrine. Testosterone promotes vasoconstriction at supraphysiologic levels, which occurs with hormone replacement therapy. So, Poiseuille's law is more than just a theory, it's a vital part of how hormones in our bodies function. Understanding it helps us appreciate the complexity of hormonal control over our organ circulatory systems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos on human physiology.